President Madison said, we need to move people westward, and one of the ideas was to make this water highway. And so the idea was the Erie Canal and the I&M were the two missing links. Otherwise, you have natural waterways. You have the Hudson River, you have the Great Lakes, and then you have the Illinois River and the Mississippi. So the two links were built. The Erie Canal in 1825, and they called it Clinton's Ditch, the governor, because they didn't think it was going to be viable. It's still a canal, and it's still commerce on it.
They were wrong.
Yes, yes. And then
the Erie Canal.
Yep. Yeah, and it's a much bigger canal. Yep, from Albany to Buffalo. Well, it's actually a series of different things. There are some natural waterways in there, but that gets you to the Great Lakes,
right.
And then through the Great Lakes, and then you could come down in Chicago, down the South Branch of the Chicago River, until that was no longer navigable. So down Lake Michigan and through the Chicago River to Bridgeport. And that's where...
Which would have been here.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it was where Bubbly Creek and the South Branch come together. So they started the canal there. And then they went westward. At first, they thought they were going to stop it in Ottawa. But then they had some dry years and said, it's not really navigable. We better go all the way to LaSalle. So that's how we got here. And then from here, the Illinois River is navigable. And so...
Did the railroad, when the railroad came through, what did that do?
Well, so the railroad paralleled the canal, and most people think that it actually put us out of business, but it didn't. It took passengers away because it was much faster, but all those heavy goods you need for a civilization or to move grain and all those things still went by water because
Shipping.
It was cheaper.
Yeah.
So in 1860, I think it was, there was a little piece in the newspaper, something like highway robbery, that the canal charged $1.25 for a ton of goods, the railroad $4.25.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, but when the canal froze in the winter, the railroad charged $25.
Oh.
So you can see the canal was a competitor to the railroad and kind of kept the prices down somewhat when it was, yeah. So, and then transportation gets bigger and better, and, we have great highways. So I-80 is basically, the same route as the canal.